Hello students, how are you all? Hope all of you are well. Today we are going to discuss class 7 maths exercise 2.2. In the previous video we have completed exercise 2.1. Actually in this video we are having some of the shapes about the fractions. We have to just understand that these shapes and we have to determine that what will be the fraction of this shape. So let's start exercise 2.2, question number 1. In the question number 1 it's saying that which of the drawing A to D show. Here there is some option is there. In that you have to just from A to D you have to show which of the options, just like a match the following question is there. Okay, which of the following A to D show. Question is which of the following show A to D, right? So here questions are there. First number 2 into 1 by 5. Second number is 2 into 1 by 2. Third number is 3 into 2 by 3. And the fourth number is 3 into 1 by 4. Have you understood the question? Which of the following shows A to D? These are the options A. First, second, third and fourth, and A, B, C, D are the figures. Means here some of the figures are also drawn. In the first figure, option A is that here 3 circles are drawn. 1, 2, 3 circles are drawn. And these circles are divided into the 3 parts. How many parts? 3 parts. This is option A, in which two parts are colored. Two parts. Just in this first part is colored and shadowed, and another this part. And the second, these 2 parts are shadowed. Okay. And in the third one, these 2 parts are shadowed. Got it? This is your option A. Now the option B is, here there are 2 squares in which half are shadowed. There are 2 squares, both are divided into the 2 parts, and one this side one is shadowed and another this side one is shadowed. Got it? After that, the third option, C option, is there are 3 squares, each are divided into the 4 parts. First, second, they are divided into how many parts? 4 parts. You can see. Okay. This is the option C, and in which one color are one part, means one part of the squares are shadowed. First part, this second part, and this third part. Got it? This is the option C, and the last is D1. D1 is about the circle in which 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts have been divided. So 2 circles are there, both are divided into the 5 parts. 1 part, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Similarly, this also 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Got it? In which one part is shadowed. So this side, this part, and another side opposite. This side, this part, and another side, this part. Now question is what? Which of the following shows A to D? Here there are numbers, you have to just match. First one is which option, second one is which option, third one is which option, and fourth one is which option. So first one is 2 into 1 by 5. Means first of all, there are 2 either circle or squares in which one part, means both the circles are divided into the 5 parts and one parts are colored. Can you see here any circle or square which are divided into the 5 parts? See, these are divided into 3 parts. This is also 3 parts. This is 2 parts. This is 4 parts. Yeah, These are divided into the 5 parts and 2 circles are there and one part is colored. So the first option is D. First option is D, right? Now the second one you can see 2 into 1 by 2 means there are 2 either squares or circle in which half parts are colored. So you can see this option 2 squares are there and half parts are colored. So the second option is B. Second option is B. Third option you can see 3 into 2 by 3. 3 things are there and out of 3 parts 2 parts are colored. You can see this option 3 circles are there, out of 3 parts 2 parts are colored. So third answer is A. And the fourth answer 3 into 1 by 4. Here you can see 3 squares are there, it is divided into the 4 parts and 1 parts are colored. So the fourth answer is C. So by this way you can write the answers. First exercise 2.2 question number 1 you can see here. The first question was which of the following shows A to D. Means it is just a match the following. Here already mixed fractions are given. Here the fractions have been shown into the diagram. You have to just match the following. Got it? I hope all of you have got it. If you are having a doubt, then please drop your doubt into the comment box section so I can understand, and afterwards we will go towards the question number 2. If you are not having any type of doubts, then you can write these answers. Otherwise you can take a screenshot. Now we will move towards the question number 2. Okay? I hope all of you have taken the screenshot. Now we are moving towards the question number 2. Question number 2 is same question. Some pictures A to C are given below. Tell which of them. Same type of question is there, but here there are only 3 questions A to C and the 3 options are there. Okay? So let's start question number 2. This is question number 2. A to C. So the question number 2 is which of the following show. No, it is some pictures A to C given below. Which of them? So same type of question. Okay, A to C. The 3 options are 3 into 1 by 5. 3 into 1 by 5 is equal to 3 by 5. Second one, 2 into 1 by 3 is equal to 2 by 3. And the third one, 2 into 1 by 4. 2 into 1 by 4 is equal to 2 by 4. See here, already this fraction has been converted into the proper fraction. Now the options, according to the options, you just see the option A is just like this only. Here there are 2 figures, 2 circles are there. Out of these 2 circles, 1 are colored part. So total how many parts are there? 3 parts are there in the circle. So you can see here these 3 parts. Out of these 3 parts, 1 are colored. How many are colored? 1 are colored. Got it? And this both the parts has been mixed into one, and one circle has been divided into the 3 parts and the 2 parts has been colored. Got it? As you can see here, the numbers are also given. The 3 into 1 by 5, 3 by 5. Okay. Similarly, the question number B is about the triangle. 3 triangles are there. They are divided into the 4 parts. How many parts? 4 parts. Option B is there 3 triangles. 3 triangles are there. 1, 2, and this one. 3 triangles. They are divided into the 4 parts. Means you can see 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So in which 3 parts are colored. 3 parts are colored. 1 part is left. So 1 part colored, second part colored, and this third part colored. So 3 parts are colored in all these 3 triangles. You can see. So 3 parts are colored. Okay, and after that it is equal to, here they have done, again they have given you these 3 triangles, and in these 3 triangles they have colored 2 triangles equally, and the third triangles they have left it. So just it is equal to, just suppose it is equal to again 3 triangles, 1, 2 and this is 3. Again they are divided into the 4 parts. Okay. So see, 3, 3, 6, 3, 9 parts are covered. So 4 parts of one triangle, 1, 2, 3, 4 parts covered. Again in this also 4 parts covered, 4, 4, 8 and 1 part covered in this. So now you can see here, this is the option B. Okay. Now we are moving toward the option C. In the option C, there are 3 squares. How many squares are there? 3 squares are there. Out of these 3 squares, they are divided into the 5 parts. 3 squares are there. 1, 2 and this 3. 3 squares are divided into the how many parts? 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In which one parts are colored, right? First part, this second part and this third part. It is equal to, again one square is there which is divided into the equally 5 parts. Out of that 3 parts are covered. 1, 2, 3. Got it? These are your options. Now what you have to do? You have to match the following. Just match the following. Some pictures A to C are given which tell them which show which figure, right? So you can see in this figure what you have to do. First you see 3 into 1 by 5 is equal to 3 by 5. 3 into 1 by 5 is equal to 3 by 5. 3 into, first of all, 5 parts. You can see this is 4 part, this is 3 part, this is 5 part. So 5 parts, 3 are there, number 3. 1 parts are colored in each, so it is equal to 3 by 5. So first option is C. Which is the first option? The first option is C. So the first option will be C. The right answer of first will be C. Second, 2 into 1 by 3, 2 by 3. 2 into 1 by 3, 2 by 3. Here you can see 2 balls are there, one part are colored. Out of these 3, 2 parts are colored, 2 by 3. So the second option is A. And third will be B only, but we have to first see. 2 into 1 by 4 is equal to 2 by 4. So there are 4 triangles. Now question is little bit different. Now question is little bit different. What is that? Now you can see, first of all, 2 by 4 is okay, but here the question which you want to listen is very much carefully. What is the option? It should be 3 into 3 by 4, right? Have we written the third question? Third question was 3 into 3 by 4. Okay. 3 into 3 by 4. We have not written the third question. The third question was 3 into 3 by 4. 3 into 3 by 4. Which is equal to how much? 2 into 1 by 4. Which is equal to 2 into 1 by 4. Now how you will tell, sir, this 3 into 3 by 4 is equal to, see, first of all you should understand there are 4 parts, 3 triangles are there. In there 3 triangles, 4 parts, 3 parts are colored. When we have mixed these 3 parts, so you can see the 2 triangles are fully covered, and in this out of all the 4 parts, in this only 1 part is there, right? So now question is what? Sir, how you will write this 3 into 3 by 4 into 2? First of all, see, 3 into 3 by 4 is equal to 9 by 4. When we break this 9 by 4 into the mixed fraction, when we divide this 9 by 4, 4 2 is 8, 1. So here as 2 into 1 by 4, 2 into 1 by 4. Got it? So where first of all we have multiplied and then we have converted into the mixed fraction. After converting into the mixed fraction, you can see and you can match this option. So the third answer is B. You can see first of all 2 into 1 by 4. Full 2 is colored. or shaded, and in this out of 4 one part is shaded. So the option B will be the right answer. This was our question number 2. In this question number 2, it is only just to shadow the part. So I hope all of you have understand about these shadowing parts. I hope all of you have understood also. You have written also in your notebook. If you have not written, then please take a screenshot. If you have liked this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe. Share this video with your friends. That's all for today. Thank you very much.